Have you ever wondered how applications get real-time updates from the X1 blockchain without constantly checking for changes?
That's where standard webhooks come in. They let X1 automatically push updates the moment a specified event happens, making the process fast and efficient.
So instead of repeatedly asking, has something changed? The system just waits for a notification when, say, a transaction finalizes or an account updates.
Exactly. Webhooks send clean, structured messages whenever events like wallet funds arriving or contracts triggering occur, cutting down on infrastructure load.
I guess builders really benefit from this, right? Like a marketplace detecting instantly when an item sells or a DeFi app reacting to position changes?
Yes, and wallet developers use them to alert users the moment funds land, enabling backend logic to run immediately without expensive monitoring jobs.
What about bigger organizations? How do institutions use these webhooks?
Institutions like custodians track thousands of account deposits and withdrawals without manual checks, while compliance teams flag high-value transfers in real time.
Analysts must find them useful too, especially for real-time dashboards and tracking market trends, right?
Absolutely. Analysts get event-driven feeds that let them monitor whale movements, new contracts, and ecosystem patterns without querying blocks repeatedly.
Can you give some concrete examples of webhook use cases on X1?
Sure, crypto wallets refresh balances instantly when tokens arrive, payment platforms confirm transactions to update orders, and gaming platforms detect new on-chain items for players.
It sounds like webhooks really help keep apps fast and synchronized with the blockchain.
They do. By delivering real-time updates exactly when events occur, webhooks reduce infrastructure load and improve responsiveness across builders, institutions, and analysts.